everyone, I just made a new website and I hope you will check it out because this website is about helping animals, supporting animals and those stuff, and there are many ways to save them without costing your money in the animal protection tab, which I'll show you. There are easy ways to save them, and you can read the steps, and there are pretty easy steps, and yeah, and there are also a Facebook link to this. This is the Facebook link, APP Animal Protection Program, and this is not my Facebook. I just find some official sites where you can donate to them and where you can support them, just support them. And also in Twitter, it's still loading. So this is the GA Animal Protection Welfare. Also, we are going to the donation tab, official sites where you can donate for animals. Now this is not my site, but I put it the link where you can donate to the official sites where the original site is. And let me show you an example. This is the International Fund for Animal Welfare site. IFAW site. So this is a official site for supporting IFAW because they save animals and they rescue individual animals, protect entire populations, and preserve precious habitat. And you can donate $25 if you have one, and if you have extra money that you don't know what to use for it. And yeah, that is the site. And also there is a site where you can adopt a homeless pet, homeless dog, homeless cat. It's still loading. So this is the petfinder.com, and they've been doing this for 15 years, and there are 17 million adoptions. Wow, they're cool. Yeah, this is the original site for it, and you should definitely check this out if you want to adopt some animals that is in a temporary home. They need a home. Everyone needs a home. So yeah, I hope you would like to check my website and the official website that is in the donation tab. And thanks for watching, and bye.